Everyone thinks the best-selling bald head shaver is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Ordeal 7D Floating Shaver. First up is the Ordeal 7D Floating Electric Shaver, priced at just $19.99. This one caught my eye because of its 7D floating head system that promises a close shave without irritation. If you want a comfortable, efficient shave, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 7D flexible heads adapt to the contours of your head, giving you that smooth bald look without the hassle. Plus, it's IPX6 waterproof, which means you can use it wet or dry, even in the shower. And with a Type-C fast charge, you're looking at a strong battery life of up to 100 minutes on a single charge. With over 4,000 units sold in the past month and an impressive 4.6-star rating from 916 reviews, it's clear that people are loving this shaver. Now, some people complain about the cleaning process, saying it could be a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, the magnetic head system makes it easier than most. So if you're okay with a little maintenance, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, efficient shaver for regular use. Skip this one if you want something with a bit more luxury features, or if you shave less frequently. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for a more all-around grooming experience. Product number 2, Teppets 5-in-1 Grooming Kit. Next up is the Teppets 5-in-1 Pro Grooming Kit, priced at $39.99. What really caught my attention was its versatility. It's not just a shaver, but a complete grooming kit. If you want something that does it all, this is definitely worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 7D floating heads provide a close shave while the 5 interchangeable heads let you trim, shave, and detail other areas. It's waterproof, so you can shave in the shower without worrying about water damage. Plus, charging is a breeze with a USB-C port, giving you 90 minutes of runtime after a quick 2-hour charge. With a 4.7-star rating from 259 reviews and being a bestseller, this kit has made quite a mark. Now, some users mention that it feels bulkier compared to other shavers. I'll be real with you. If you're looking for something ultra-compact, this might not be your pick. But given its multi-functionality, I think it's a worthwhile trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one grooming tool and appreciate the convenience of multiple attachments. Skip this one if you prefer a straightforward, single-purpose shaver. It really offers great value for your money. Now, if Teppets' size bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a focus on speed. Product number 3, Remington Balder Pro XR 7000. Coming in at $58.12. We've got the Remington Balder Pro XR 7000. This shaver caught my eye because it promises a barbershop smooth shave in under 2 minutes. If speed is what you're after, this one's definitely worth a look. Here's why this matters for you. The 5 dual-track rotary blades cover more area, allowing you to shave quickly while still getting a close cut. Its flexing blades adapt to the shape of your head, which is a game-changer for anyone with sensitive skin. Plus, the built-in hair capture chamber means less mess to clean up afterward. With a whopping 17,200 reviews and a solid 4.2-star rating, it's clear that people trust this shaver. However, some users reported that the battery life could be better, with only 50 minutes of usage on a full charge. Here's the thing, though. If you're someone who shaves quickly and regularly, this shouldn't be a deal-breaker, especially given how fast and efficient it is. This is perfect for you if you're always on the go and need a fast, reliable shaver. Skip this one if you prefer a longer battery life for less frequent shaving. It's still a solid investment. Alright, that was a fast option. But the next one brings a unique design that might just feel more comfortable for daily use. Product number 4, Skull Shaver Pitbull Silver Pro. Next, we have the Skull Shaver Pitbull Silver Pro, priced at $77.75. What really stood out to me was its ergonomic design and powerful motor, which means you can get smooth results with less effort. If comfort and efficiency are top of mind for you, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ergonomic grip allows for easy handling, so you won't feel fatigued while shaving. It's designed for both wet and dry use, and you can use it with creams or just dry, whatever you prefer. Plus, the large shaving chambers mean less mess and quicker cleanup. With a 4.2-star rating from 2,100 reviews and over 4,000 units sold recently, it seems a lot of folks are loving this design. On the flip side, some users mentioned that it can be a bit pricey for what it offers. Here's the thing, though. The comfort and efficiency often justify the cost, especially if you're someone who values those qualities. This is perfect for you if you want a shaver that prioritizes comfort without sacrificing performance. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget-friendly option, but it definitely delivers on quality. Now, if you're looking for something that's more budget-conscious yet still effective, our last pick might just hit the mark. Product number 5, Adol's Wellop 7D Head Shaver. Finally, we have the Adol's Wellop 7D Head Shaver, which retails for $44.99. What caught my attention here is its unique fingerhole design that promises easy control. If you want a user-friendly experience, this one deserves a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The hypoallergenic blades are designed for sensitive skin, ensuring you get a clean shave without any irritation or nicks. The long battery life of 60 minutes means you can get multiple shaves on a single charge. Plus, it's versatile for wet and dry use, making it great for any shaving routine. With a 4.3-star rating from 6,500 reviews, it's clearly making waves in the market. Some people did point out that it can struggle a bit with longer hair. But here's the thing. If you're using it for regular maintenance and keeping your head shaved, this shouldn't be a deal breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you want a gentle, easy-to-use shaver that gets the job done. Skip this one if you have longer hair or if you're looking for something to handle all hair types effectively. It's still a solid value for the price. So there you have it. Each of these 5 shavers has its strengths, depending on what you're looking for. Whether you want speed, versatility, comfort, or just a budget-friendly option, there's something here for everyone. In summary, we covered the Ordeal 7D for budget-friendly efficiency, Teppets for a multifunctional grooming experience, Remington for speed, Skull Shaver for comfort, and Adol's Wellop for user-friendly design. Each one has something unique to offer, so choose based on what matters most to you.